Good morning, student. This is the sixth chapter, section 6, line and angles. In previous lecture, I was explained about the what is angle and type of angles. Now today we discuss some different symbol and definition related to angle. Here given that angle bisector. So what is the meaning of angle bisector? In previous lecture I was told you that this is angle. Suppose that this point is O, A, B. This is written as angle A, O, B. You can signify it with theta. So this is the notation of any angle. Now the next definition is angle bisector. So what is the meaning of bisector? Bisector means bi means two, a sector means part, दो part. तो एरिज AX देखो आप ये पॉइंट आपका this point is called vertex. This point O is called vertex. So in case of this angle, angle A is vertex and AB, AC are rays who generated from the point A. Therefore, you can see that this is angle BAC and rays passing through point A. This is AX. This is point X. So point X is interior of angle A, B and C. BAC. This is interior point. अगर इस इंटीरियर पॉइंट से ये लाइन पास कर रही है तो ये जो एंगल बना रही है दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल सपोज दैट दिस इज एंगल 1 एंड दिस इज एंगल 2 तो ये एंगल जब दोनों इक्वल होंगे तो ये जो लाइन होगी ये इसको बाइसेक्ट करेगी एंगल को हाफ हाफ पार्ट में डिवाइड करेगी और इसे हम एंगल बाइसेक्टर कहेंगे AX इज कॉल्ड एंगल बाइसेक्टर ऑफ BAC तो व्हाट इज डेफिनेशन लेट अस सी A rays AX is said to be bisector of angle BAC if X is a point in the interior of angle BAC. मैं अभी बताया हूँ कि इंटीरियर में होना चाहिए उनके बीच में कहीं पॉइंट X होना चाहिए पॉइंट X इंटीरियर में है एंड एंगल BAX इक्वल टू एंगल XAC angle XAC that is angle 1 equal to angle 2 that is angle 1 equal to angle 2 you read as angle 1 equal to angle 2 let us see the next question given in example different from NCERT book question is given that an angle is equal to 5 times its complements. Determine its measure. To support it, let angle B, required angle B, X. Then its complements. Its complementary angle is how much? In previous video I was explained about the complementary angle and supplementary angle. Complementary angles are those angles whose sum is 90 degree. Suppose that X and Y are two angles, so these two are called complements of each other when X plus Y equal to 90 degree. So here, if we suppose the required angle be X, its complementary angle will what? 90 minus X. So according to question, X equal to 5 times its complement. It means 90 minus X. then it will be if you solve this question x equal to 5 into 90 minus 5x 5 को आप इस साइड में ले आओगे तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 5x प्लस, जब भी ट्रांसफर करते हैं साइड ये साइन चेंज हो जाता है तो यहाँ पे साइन माइनस का है, जब आप इसको इस साइड में ले आओगे तो ये प्लस में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा। दिस इक्वल टू 9 5 का 45 6x इक्वल टू 450 डिग्री, तो x इक्वल टू हाउ मच 450 डिवाइडेड बाई 6 75 into 6 यस ये 75 टाइम्स जाएगा। दिस विल बी आंसर। Now you can solve this type of questions with the help of this example related to complementary angle and supplementary angle. Thank you. That's all.